ನಾನು ಮೈಗ್ರೇನ್ ತಲೆ ತುಂಬ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೆ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ನಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಟಿ ವಿಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೀಪಕ್ ಶರ್ಮಾ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ವೇತಾಂಜಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಯಿತು. ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸು ತುಂಬ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ ವಾಮಿಟಿಂಗು, ತಲೆನೋವು, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ತಲೆನೋವು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಸುಖವಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆ. ತುಂಬ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫ್ ಹಿಂಗಾಗೋದು, ನಂದು ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಹಿಂಗಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ. ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕುಶಾ ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ನಾನು ಯಲಹಂಕದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವಳು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ದಿವ್ಯ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇವಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು 7-8 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈನಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾವು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲು, ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಕಾಣದೆ ನಾವು ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೀಪಕ್ ಶಾ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಒಂದು 7-8 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆವಾಗ ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಸಲ 4-5 ಸಲ ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು, ತಲೆನೋವು, ಸೀನಿಂಗು, ಮೈಕೈ ನೋವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ 7 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಲ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದೆ.
So I used to get before this I used to get 5 times in a 1 month. So now they become very low. So one time in 1 month. So 2 hours will come at before taking this treatment. Now it's become 15 minutes.
I started coming to the Healing Touch clinic since the last 1 year. This is mainly because of the painful migraine attacks which I've been having for so many years. In spite of all those treatments, nothing worked out. It was then I thought I'll come and meet Dr. Shah, and it was his assurance and also the treatment therapy which was told to me, and also the assurance that there would be no side effects, really motivated me to come to him, and that's how I started my treatment for migraine. It's been a year since, and now the treatment has progressed so well and the body has responded so well to those medicines that it's hardly, I don't remember when I got my last migraine attack. It's been really so what I felt was all that pain and agony I would undergo because of these migraine attacks have disappeared completely. And I'm thankful to you, doctor, for all that caring and your treatment and follow-ups and all that today I feel that migraine never existed for me as it was before, and whatever I've spent for this treatment, I felt it is full of justice, that I've got back all that health and confidence in me. And one more thing which I would really like to share is homeopathy was something I was really skeptical about. It was allopathy is so advanced that we go for the treatment every time, but then it was this treatment which I underwent has given me more confidence that homeopathy can work miracles, and the way the doctor took me through this program, assuring that homeopathy can really work in every person, and that's how I've responded to the treatment. And it is today I feel that anything which comes, any ailment, there's a remedy, and we can go and opt for homeopathy treatment.